Hey people, what is up? Notorious Garage here, and today I've just installed macOS Catalina 10.15.4, and this is the operating system installed on Mi 24 13-inch Retina display Mac. But earlier, due to these reviews and ratings, I skipped the installation of this macOS Catalina 10.15.4 because people were complaining about this operating system, and I didn't took a chance to install this operating system in my Mac. So what I did was I first installed this on external hard drive, made it bootable, and when I knew that it was performing good, then I only installed it in my main hardware. So if you are planning to install this macOS Catalina on your system, make sure that you have a backup or test it with an external hard drive. Now, the specification of the computer that I installed this macOS Catalina on is of 2014 MacBook Pro with 8GB of RAM, that is 1600 MHz only. Now, talking about the other thing that is shown here are the ratings, and some people said that it was 5-star, but most of the ratings are of 1-star, which I didn't like earlier. Now let's get to productivity with Microsoft To Do app. Now, in this isolation period, I was looking for managing my day, and I come up with Microsoft To Do, a free application in the App Store, while hovering through the apps in the App Store of Mac. And there are pretty good ratings of this application, and since it is made by Microsoft, they are amazing in productivity and tools related with Office and tax management. So I gave it a try, and it was available in iPhone, iPad and Mac. So I'm connected with all of my devices throughout this operating system from Apple, and I've just added some tasks to do. As you can see here, I have 5 tasks, and this one is regarding the XML coursework for Notorious Garage. Now let me take you to the coursework that I have been working on, and the thing here is I'm using Xode 11. Whatever it is, the latest edition in April 17, 2020. So I'm using XML and CSS and HTML for developing the coursework, and Xcode is the development tool here. So let me just add a CSS property here for vehicle, and yeah, it's pretty much that simple, that straightforward. It is a basic plain text editor that works well with the XML and HTML as well. So the purpose of this video I want to make here is using the awesome tools that are available with Mac operating systems, even in older computers like Mi 2014 in 2020. And we also have Microsoft's awesome free productivity applications to manage your tasks, manage your day, and get through your to-do list in productive way. And all these applications are free, and this comes along with the macOS Catalina 10.15.4. How awesome is that? See you guys later on the other side.